In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D cube in AutoCAD. First, let's make sure we're working in a 3D friendly view. You can do this using your mouse or the navigation cube at the top corner of the drawing area. If you're using the mouse, press and hold the wheel and move your mouse to orbit the view until you can clearly see the X, Y, and Z axes, which tells you you're in a 3D perspective. If you prefer the navigation cube, simply click one of the isometric faces or corners on the cube to switch into a 3D isometric view. This makes it much easier to see the height of the object you're about to create. Now, type box on your keyboard and press enter. The box command is the quickest way to create a solid rectangular shape, and we'll use it to make a cube with equal sides. AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a base point. Move your cursor into the drawing area and click once to set that starting point. If you want precision, feel free to use object snaps or hover near the grid or an existing point. The idea is simply to choose where your cube will sit. Next, define the size of the base. You can do this entirely with your mouse by moving the cursor diagonally and clicking to set the opposite corner of the base rectangle. To make a true cube, aim to keep the base square. If you want a perfect square with an exact size, you can type a length value instead of clicking. For example, type a number and press enter to lock in that base length. Ortho or polar tracking can help keep your movement straight while you pick that second corner. After the base is set, AutoCAD will ask for the height. Again, you can use your mouse to drag upward and click to set the height visually, or type the same length you used for the base to make all sides equal. Press enter to confirm. As you do this, watch the dynamic input near your cursor to confirm the height value before finalizing. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a 3D cube. If you want to visually confirm everything looks right, orbit the model briefly to view it from different angles. Keeping your view in an isometric orientation while creating 3D shapes can make the process smoother and more intuitive. With these simple steps, switching to a 3D view, running the box command, picking a base point, and then defining the base and the height, you can build a clean, solid cube quickly and confidently.